My co-host for the June collaboration is Stephanie of Creatively with Stephanie and Liz of Jazigreen Decor Style. So guys, are you excited? Do you want to know what the color is for the month of June? So the color for the month of June is orange.
Hey family, so we're back again with the collaboration and I'm using the color Outrageous Orange to create my tablescape today. I'm going to be painting on the plates. This is a dishwasher safe paint, but I will not keep this on the plates. These are plates that I was about to throw away, so I decided to use them instead of throwing them away to create my tablescapes going forward. Since the orange plates was not enough, I decided to spread a splash of orange throughout my entire design. And I'm adding another layer just to make it so that it's not opaque. And these are the rings that I used in a previous tablescape that I completed, so I decided to paint them orange as well. Always remember to reuse, recycle, and repurpose. And here's my completed look. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for supporting, watching my videos. I really appreciate all that you guys have done.